good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here again. I welcome you all to LASOJENIC BIZZTALK, wherever you might be right now across the world, be it America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, and any part of the world that you might be right now. Okay, LASOJENIC BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, how you can make money online, to give you financial education, and also to share with you some ways whereby you can make money online, and to warn you of some fraudulent or suspicious online investments in order for you not to venture into such and lose your money at the end of the day. Alright, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or get notified of the next updates, so that you will be aware, so that you are not going to miss out on any of the information that will be dashed out. Alright, so you can just browse through my channel. Feel free to browse through my channel for several videos that I've done in the past on financial education, on how to make money online. So there are several videos here that I've made for you, so just take your time to check any of them. And if you have any question, you can contact me through this email address, contact me through my WhatsApp, chat me up on WhatsApp, and in the comment section of this video you can drop your question there, and I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Okay, what I have to share with you today in today's video is about this particular platform called Zetbull Investment platform is what I have to share with you today, to let you know if it is legit or not, to let you know if it's what you can dive into or it's another wolf in sheep clothing. So that is the responsibility, that is my duty, that is the reason why this channel is created. Alright, okay, so now with what we have here, the first information here is running 934 days. This is not a very correct English, it's not a very correct grammar. Running 934 days. Okay, but let's see more about this particular platform. Alright, Zetbull. So last investment, top investors, last withdrawal. We are not really concerned with this, but we want to know what this company is offering, what they have to offer the potential investors, that is you and I. Okay, so now we have 650% after 35 days, in which principal will be included 1,500% after 55 days, principal included 3,000 after 70 days, 3,000% after 70 days, 6,500% after 100 days. Alright, so all this still they are whopping amounts of money, that is whopping percentage that is somehow luring most investors to online investment business. But if you should go by this, I can tell you that you can end up losing your money. If you are someone that gets attracted by high percentage of return on investment, then I'm saying that you are risking your capital, your money, because we just need to be very sincere with ourselves. What particular investment, which business will you do that will give you this 2.1% daily for 20 days? Sorry, okay, the first one that we saw was 6,500 in 35 days. So whenever you are coming into online investment, don't consider the ROI first. ROI, a big ROI giving out company will never last. So you just need to be very sincere with yourself, and you need to have a calculated risk. Okay, so I'm not saying that Zetbull is a scam, but is somehow alarming. What they are offering people is somehow alarming. What if they are unable to make the money as they promised? Okay, and another thing is that in this site, what they are really into is not well explained. Are they trading forex? Are they trading cryptocurrency? Are they mining gold? What are they really doing with our money? It is not stated. There is no way you can see it on this particular home page, which is very poor. So it's somehow alarming and highly suspicious. So for anyone that is very familiar with online investments, we know that. As for me, I don't have a good recommendation for this company. So they also have a physical address here, which might not be true. Private investment company incorporated in the UK, company number, office number, read more. So just take your time to browse through this website. But as for me, it's not a business, it's not an investment that I can put 1 naira. I'm a Nigerian, so I can't put 1 naira into this because of many abnormalities that I have discovered in this investment platform. But according to what I said earlier, if after you've done your own personal findings and you discover that it is what you can give a try, then I will just advise you to invest that little amount you can afford to lose. That amount you can afford to lose, that you can bear if anything should go wrong. So this life is full of risk, and it is even riskier for you not to bear any risk. But you just need to take a calculated risk. You need to look before you leap. You need to look well before you leap. Don't just leap without looking first. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to put an end to it. So I don't want to waste my time on an investment platform like this, reviewing it, and at the end of the day, I already know the outcome. So this investment platform will never last for 6 months. Just let me put it that way. It won't last for 6 months, and after that, after their aims are achieved, they will surely cut away thousands of dollars, or let me say millions of dollars of investors' funds. So and they run away through the 10th year. And I don't want you to be a victim of this. So for me, I will never invest in something like this. So and that is my recommendation. But if you think that you can give it a try, then you can go ahead because you're responsible for your action. Alright, thank you so much for watching once again. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very important. Click on the notification bell and set it to all notification. Alright, if you found it to be very meaningful, then don't hesitate to like this video and share with your friends and family, because you can do as well. You can do that to save someone from losing their money to online investment platform, that is the scammers. So you can do that to help them out. Okay, meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead.